Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. T1, T2 and the FLAIR MRI. So first let's look at the T1 imaging. The T1 weighted MRI is where the white matter appears white. So it is very straightforward. There is a white matter appearing white. So this is 1. And here the gray matter appears gray. Now moving on to T2 weighted MRI, here the body fluids, it appears white. So what appears white? It will be the body fluids. Next, moving on to the FLAIR. The FLAIR, first we need to understand what is the full form of FLAIR. The FLAIR, it includes the fluid attenuation. It is nothing but the fluid attenuation, inversion as well as the recovery. So fluid attenuation, inversion, recovery is nothing but the FLAIR. And looking at the CSF, it gets suppressed. The CSF, it gets suppressed and it becomes dark. The CSF, it appears suppressed and it becomes dark. That is in case of the arachnoid cyst. Next is the epidermoid cyst. It does not get suppressed on the FLAIR. So you have the epidermoid cyst. This does not get suppressed on the FLAIR. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.